Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be this piece of yew wood. As always, I have no idea what we're going to make from it, so we'll get it chucked on the lathe in a minute and see what happens. We'll make it up as we go along, as always. It's got a little bit of a bog hole just there, and obviously this is a bit scruffy on this end as well. So yeah, kind of got an idea that this is going to be the bottom, just so we can try and turn away some of this scruffy part, get rid of that bog hole. Size wise, it is around about 8 inches long and just over 4.5 inches wide, and just about 3.5 inches thick as well. So yeah, we'll get set up. I'm probably gonna get a worm screw. It's not really level enough to put a faceplate on. I don't really want to start carving away to get the faceplate on, so yeah, we're just going to find the centre, get it on the worm screw, and then yeah, as always in any of my videos, we'll make it up as we go along and see what we end up with. So, considering I didn't know what I was going to be making at the start of this video, as you can see, it's come out quite well. Quite happy with it. A little bit different, quite unique. I didn't want to, because the bark came off, I didn't want to darken it up too much, so as you see in the video that I just used the blowtorch just to darken the edges off a little bit, which I think makes it look quite nice. I've got a Sapele lid, and you probably notice as well from when I finished the video that there's been a slight design change on the top of the lid. I wasn't quite happy with it after I sort of stood back and had a look at it, so luckily enough I had a bit of a mortise hidden in the top of the lid there, so I was able to get it back on the chuck and just turn it away and make it a little bit nicer. But yeah, as a whole, like I say, consider I didn't know what I was going to be making, I think it's turned out quite well. Hopefully you like it as well. If you did enjoy the video, then please give us a thumbs up, share the video with all your friends and family and on all your social media. It would really mean a lot. And also please subscribe to the channel. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and it'd be really good if you could all help me out with that. And as a thank you, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a project to give away as well. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much, and we'll see you again for the next video. Cheers then, bye for now.